How to stay focused and achieve your dreams. Life-changing advice. In this world full of distractions, it's easy to feel lost. The world is noisy, fast-paced, and it often feels like everything around us is trying to pull us in 100 different directions. But deep down, you know you have something extraordinary inside you, something that's meant to be unleashed. You have dreams, big dreams. Cut to the protagonist sitting at a desk, staring at a vision board full of inspiring images and quotes. But dreams alone are not enough. Dreams, no matter how powerful, can only take you so far. What separates those who achieve their dreams from those who don't is focus. The ability to stay on course, no matter how difficult or overwhelming life gets. The good news? You can cultivate this focus. You can achieve anything you set your mind to. Today, we're going to talk about how to stay focused and achieve your dreams. This is the life-changing advice you've been waiting for. The first step to achieving your dreams is clarity. Without a clear vision, it's impossible to focus. Imagine you're driving a car without a destination. You're moving, but you don't know where you're going. You might feel like you're making progress, but you'll never truly get anywhere. Take the time to write down your goals. Be specific. What do you want to achieve? Why is it important to you? What's the first step you can take today to bring you closer to that goal? Once you have a clear vision, you can begin to focus your energy and efforts in the right direction. Dreams can be overwhelming. When you look at the big picture, it's easy to feel like it's too much. But here's the secret. Break it down. Take your dream and split it into smaller, manageable pieces. Think about the first step. What's one thing you can do today to move toward your goal? Once you accomplish that, the next step will be clearer. Focus on the next immediate action, and soon you'll find yourself making steady progress. We live in a world full of distractions. Our phones, social media, the never-ending noise around us. It's easy to lose focus. But here's the truth. Distractions are the silent killers of success. To stay focused, you must be intentional about eliminating distractions. Set boundaries for yourself. Turn off notifications. Create a space where you can work without interruptions. Prioritize your time and guard it fiercely. Every time you remove a distraction, you're giving yourself the gift of focus. Consistency is key. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep showing up. Success is built on small daily habits that add up over time. Wake up early. Set aside time each day to work on your dreams. It doesn't matter if it's 30 minutes or 3 hours. What matters is that you do it consistently, even on the days when you don't feel like it. Even when obstacles arise. It's in those moments that your focus becomes your superpower. Along the way, there will be challenges. Setbacks are inevitable, but here's the key. Embrace them. The most successful people in the world don't see failure as the end. They see it as an opportunity to grow, learn, and adjust. Cultivate a growth mindset. Every mistake is a lesson. Every failure is a stepping stone toward success. When you face a setback, don't let it derail your focus. Instead, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I improve and keep going? When things get tough, remember why you started. Your dreams are worth the effort. Your purpose is bigger than any obstacle. Staying focused is about more than just discipline. It's about connecting with your why. Why do you want to achieve this? How will it change your life and the lives of others? The stronger your connection to your purpose, the easier it will be to stay committed, even when things get hard. As you work toward your dreams, don't forget to celebrate your progress. Too often, we get caught up in the hustle, forgetting to acknowledge how far we've come. Take time to celebrate the small wins. Every step forward is a victory. Celebrate it and let it fuel your motivation to keep going. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small it may seem. Staying focused isn't always easy, but it is always worth it. Your dreams are within reach. The only thing standing between you and your success is the choice to keep going. Stay focused, stay committed, and never, ever give up. Your dreams are waiting for you to make them a reality.